what are the best programming languages for as a Nigerian developer? Okay, now first of all, we have to first of all look at the factor of getting jobs, because you can learn the best or the most difficult programming language, but the question is that, is there a job there? As a Nigerian, would you get a job in that particular field? That's the question. So looking at that particular field, for me though, because I'm using myself as a case study, first of all, the most common and the best and the easiest um platform, or the easiest skill that you can learn to get gigs is what? React. That is true front-end development. I can say that that's like one of the easiest. React or JavaScript and Python. Those two those two programming languages are like the most common, and you can easily find jobs on them. So if you want to go into back end, the best to actually learn is Python. If you want to go into front end, the best you can learn is React, because React is used by most companies online. Like most companies make use of React framework. They also make use of Next.js, all right? So the best you can actually make use of is React or Python. So as a Nigerian, to get jobs in the market, to get jobs even as a Nigerian in the field, the best you have to go for is the most common used language, and which is either React or either JavaScript for front end or Python for back end.